Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll be teaching you how to remove TikTok watermark from TikTok video. So any video you want to download on TikTok, I'll be teaching you how to remove the watermark. You know, when you download some videos from TikTok, it will show the person's name and then TikTok logo there. So I'll teach you how to remove it. So guys, let's get right into it. So first of all, you will open your TikTok app. So I'll just click on it. Okay, so guys, let's say I want to download this particular video. I'll just click on this share sign. So then I will click on copy link. So you just click on it. But let's say I'm not using this one. I want to download my own personal video. You understand? My own personal video without the watermark. So I'll go to profile. I'll click on the video that I want to download. Let's say this one. On this, then I'll click on these 3 lines here. Then see copy link, you copy link. So if it's your own video, you just click on that 3 line. Or if it's another person's video, you click on share and then you copy the link. So the first step you need to do is to copy link. I hope you understand. Copy link. So I've already copied the link. So the next thing now, you go to Google. Let's go to Google. Okay. You click on Google. Then the next thing is search for Snaptic. It's already here, so you just click on the Snaptic. So after that, you click on the first one, yes, the Snaptic again. Okay, we're almost done. Very easy. Then you click, as you can see, this TikTok video download without watermark. So that link that we copied, you just paste it here. Let's paste it here. Copy and paste. Then you click on download. Just watch and see. Now this is the video. Happy New Month everyone. God is good. That was the title I gave it. So guys, you click on download. This is it. I'm clicking on the first one here. Click on it. You click on download and as you can see, it's downloading. It's already here. Now when you click on open, to take you to your gallery, straight to your gallery. So I just use my video to show you. If you are using somebody, if you want to download somebody else's video without the watermark, just click on that share sign there, that share. Click on it, then you copy the link. That is just it. It's very simple. So guys, that is all for this video. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. If you have any video you want me to talk about, you can also drop your question on the comment section. Any tutorial you want me to talk about, to show you, you can drop it on the comment section. Anything you want to learn about the CapCut app, if it's something I know, I will gladly share it with you. So guys, I want to say thank you for watching to the end, and don't forget to help me share this video. Give this video a thumbs up and share, comment. So guys, I will see you next time, same station. Bye.